Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are going to start a series of all CCNA labs. Today is day 1 and we will start with first lab. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set host name and configure console password in Cisco switch. So I have launched Cisco Packet Tracer. Here I will select a Cisco 2960 switch. We will double click on it and directly enter into the CLI mode. My host name is switch, so first thing we will change it to Cisco. First enable, then configure terminal, host name Cisco. Now we will configure console password. First thing, type line console 0 password Cisco 1122. Enter. At the end, type login. And now we will enable clear text password. To enable clear text password, type enable password Cisco 1122, hit enter. To enable encrypted password, what you have to do, type again enable secret Cisco 123 and enter. We will exit again, and then let's verify. Here we will type Cisco 1122, then we will click enable, and here we will write Cisco 123. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow with another lab.